your late 20s and early 30s. They're a strange time. You're old enough to have some scars, some experience, but you're still young enough to think you're invincible. It's probably the most critical launching pad for the rest of your life, especially if you're the kind of guy who wants to build something. You know, a business, an empire, a legacy. The decisions you make right now can either put you on the fast track to success, or they can set you up for a decade of spinning your wheels, wondering why everyone else is lapping you. It's a fork in the road. One path leads to freedom, impact, and wealth. The other leads to a life of quiet desperation, working a job you tolerate to pay for things you don't really need. So today I'm giving you the full blueprint, the complete guide, how to absolutely destroy your chances of success, how to guarantee you stay broke, unfulfilled, and full of regret as you head into your 40s. If you follow these steps, I promise you'll be on the perfect path to mediocrity. And if you find yourself already doing some of these things, well, maybe it's time to get your stuff together. All right, before we really dive in, for those of you who are new here, welcome to Business Letters. I'm just a guy in my 40s, originally from Florida, who's made a lot of mistakes, and thankfully, learned a thing or two from them. I've built businesses, I've failed at businesses, and I see young guys making the same damn mistakes I did, or the ones I was lucky enough to avoid. My goal here is to give you the advice I wish someone had given me when I was 25. So, let's get into it. The blueprint for sabotage. Get the wrong kind of education. And look, I'm not just talking about getting a degree in 18th century poetry, though that's a great start if you want to fail. I'm talking about believing that a piece of paper is the end of your education. The real world, especially the world of business, doesn't give a damn about your GPA. It cares about what you can do. So, to properly sabotage yourself, spend 4 years and $100,000 in debt on a degree with zero real-world application. And then, most importantly, stop learning. Stop. Never pick up a book on sales. Never watch a tutorial on digital marketing. Don't learn to code. Don't learn how to negotiate. Don't learn how to manage people. Just assume your degree taught you everything. You'll enter the workforce with a fancy piece of paper and the practical skills of a toddler, perfectly positioned to be outcompeted by the guy who spent the last 4 years actually building things. Master the art of looking rich, not being rich. This one's a classic. As soon as you get that first decent paycheck, maybe around 25, 26, your first move should be to inflate your lifestyle to match or even exceed your income. Lease that BMW you can't afford. Get the luxury high-rise apartment with the rooftop pool. Buy the $1,000 watch on a payment plan. Your Instagram will look amazing. Your bank account, not so much. Every dollar you spend on impressing people who don't care about you is a dollar you're not investing in yourself, your skills, or a potential business idea. I used to drive a beat-up Hyundai that I bought for like $4,500. My friends gave me crap for it. But you know what? That extra money I saved went into my first business venture. If you want to fail, prioritize the appearance of wealth over the creation of it. You'll be trapped in the rat race forever, working just to maintain a lifestyle you can't really afford. Let your dating life derail your mission. Okay, guys. This is a big one. As a young, ambitious man, your most valuable assets are your time, your focus, and your energy. The absolute fastest way to destroy all three is to mismanage your dating life. So, here's the plan. Spend all your free time and money chasing women who don't share your values or support your vision. Go for the party girls, the ones who drain your wallet and your energy every weekend. Get into dramatic, toxic relationships that consume all your mental bandwidth. A real partner, a teammate, will understand the grind. They'll support the late nights. They'll be your biggest cheerleader. A distraction will complain that you're working too much and demand more of your already limited resources. If you want to sabotage your future, make finding a short-term good time a higher priority than building a long-term great life. By the time you realize your mistake, you'll have lost your most productive years. Believe you can do it all alone. The Lone Wolf Entrepreneur. It's a great story for the movies, but it's a terrible strategy for real life. To guarantee failure, never seek out a mentor. See anyone more successful than you as a threat, not a teacher. Never build a network. Go to business events and stand in the corner on your phone. Don't connect with people. Don't ask for advice. Don't offer help. Believe that your idea is so revolutionary that you don't need anyone. Your network is your net worth. It's a cliche because it's true. Almost every major opportunity I've ever had came not from what I knew, but from who I knew. A referral, a piece of advice, a partnership. If you isolate yourself, you're choosing to learn every single lesson the hard way. And trust me, you don't have enough time or money for that. Ignore your body. It's just a vehicle, right? Hustle culture tells you to sacrifice sleep, live on caffeine and cheap takeout, and grind 24/7. This is fantastic advice if you want to burn out by 32. Neglect the gym, eat junk food because you're too busy to cook. Get 4 to 5 hours of sleep a night. Your body will keep up for a little while, and then it won't. Your brain function will decline. Your decision-making will get sloppy. Your energy will plummet. You can't build an empire if you're too exhausted to get out of bed. I learned this the hard way around my late 20s. You're not a machine. Your physical health is the foundation of everything. Your mental clarity, your discipline, your resilience. Let it crumble, and everything you're trying to build will crumble with it. The 5-step program to a life of mediocrity. Get a useless education and stop learning. Spend all your money on liabilities. Let drama run your life. Isolate yourself and destroy your health. Or you could do the exact opposite. Invest in high-value skills. Live below your means and pour your resources into assets and your business. Find a partner who builds you up. Create a powerful network. And treat your body like the high-performance machine it needs to be. The choice is yours. These next 10 years will define you. Don't waste them. What's the biggest mistake you see people making in their 20s and 30s? Let me know down in the comments. And if you got any value out of this, hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot more to cover. Take care, guys.